everyone, this is Sharda and you are watching Dugani Sisters. Today I will be continuing with the exponents. So earlier I have dealt, so this is an upgrade level of exponents. So before starting it, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and click on bell icon to get the notification of my latest video. So let me start. So before starting the upgrade level, I am going to explain the exponents loss. So let me explain. So first one, a power m into a power n is equal to. Now here you can observe that bases are same and the powers are different. In this case, we can write a is a to the power of m plus n. When bases are same, add the powers. So second one, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So here power of power, whenever it is given, so those two powers can be multiplied. So next one, a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Now here the power is for whole number. Now this can be written as individually for the numerator and to the denominator. So here, So next one, a power m by a power n. Now here you can observe bases are same and the powers are different. In that case it can be written as a to the power of m minus n when m is greater than n. So that means whenever the numerator power is bigger, the formula will be a to the power of m minus n. If at all denominator power is bigger, the formula is 1 by a to the power of n minus m when n is greater than m. Whenever the numerator power is bigger, it is a power m minus n. Whenever the denominator power is bigger, 1 by a to the power of n minus m. So next one, the fifth one is ab whole to the power of n. Now this is nothing but a is multiplied with b. So this can be written as a to the power of n into b to the power of n. So these are all the exponents laws. Now I have detailedly given examples for each law in the previous videos, so you can go through the previous video. So let me continue with the upgrade level of the powers. So this is the next example I have taken. Express each of the following as a rational number in the form of p by q. Now the first problem is 5 to the power of minus 3 and the second one minus 2 whole to the power of minus 5, 4 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3. Here you can observe all the three have negative integral exponents. So let me explain this. So the first one, 5 to the power of minus 3. Now this is in the form of a to the power of minus 1 is equal to any number to the power of negative number. It is nothing but 1 by a to the power of, here the power is 1, so it is a to the power of 1. In case if you have a to the power of minus 3, it is nothing but 1 by a and the power is 3, so it is written 3. Yes, so now take the problem. Five to the power of minus 3 is equal to, as I told you, now this is the formula, that is any number to the power of negative number is nothing but 1 by a to the power. So now this can be written as 1 by 5 and the power is 3. So this should be multiplied and written, that is 1 by 5 into 5 into 5, that is 1 by 5 5s is 25, 25 5s is 125. Yes, so let me explain the next one. Minus 2 whole to the power of 5, minus 5. So first I'll consider this minus 2 as A. Now whenever it is A, we have to write 1 by minus 2 whole to the power of 5. Yes, so now here 1 by, so minus 2 is repeated 5 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 2 should be multiplied 5 times. So now here 1 by, now here multiply 2's, that is 2 2's is 4, 4 2's is 8, 8 2's is 16, 16 2's is 32. So write down 32. Now here you have negative numbers, so we should multiply even those. So minus into minus is both, when I multiply I'll get plus. So plus into minus is again minus. So minus into minus is plus. Now plus into minus is minus. Now instead of doing this way, you can do in this method. Now any number, for instance I'll take minus 1 whole to the power of even number. That is, if an instance I'll take 2. If any number having a even number, that is minus 1 into minus 1, 1 1 is 1, minus into minus is plus. Do remember, whenever you have a even number power or for a negative number, you will be getting a plus number. In case if you have a odd number, so you will be getting a negative. So let me explain. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 1's is 1, 1 1's is 1. Now here minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. So any number to the power of any minus number, so I will better give any number, that is minus 1 whole to the power of even number is nothing but plus 1. If you have any negative number to the power of odd number, you will be getting negative 1. Yes. So here it is minus 32. So next one, 4 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3. So think 4 by 3 as A. So 1 by 4 by 3 whole to the power of minus. So instead, because you have a minus, I have written in the denominator, and power will be plus 3. So this is nothing but 1 by 4 by 3 is repeated 3 times. So 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. Now here this 3, 1 by 4, multiply all the numerators. 4 4's is 16, 16 4's is 64 by 3 3's is 9, 9 3's is 27. So this will become reciprocal, and it can be written as 27 by 64. Yes. So here the formulas we have used is a to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a power 1, and other one is any negative number having even number power, you will be getting a positive number. Any negative number, if you have odd number, you will be getting a negative number. So let me explain the next one. Yes, this is the next example I have taken, that is 3 by 8 whole to the power of minus 2 into 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. So let me solve this. 3 by 8 whole to the power of minus 2 into 4 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. So this can be written as, assume 3 by 8 as A. So this can be written as 1 by 3 by 8 whole square into 1 by 4 by 5 whole to the power of 3. Yes, so this can be written as 1 by 3 by 8 is multiplied 2 times into 1 by 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So this can be written as 1 by, multiply the numerators individually and denominators individually. 3 3s is 9, 8 8s is 64 into 1 by 4 4s is 16, 16 4s is 64, 5 5s is 25, 25 5s is 125. As it is in denominator and you have a fraction, this becomes reciprocal, that is 64 by 9 into 125 by 64. Now here there is a possibility of cancellation. We can cancel 64 and 64 and the obtained answer is 125 by 9. Yes, hope you have understood. So the basic formulas have used is a power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So hope you have understood. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.